Be safe in about 5 seconds. We're gonna behind something. Alright, it's alright.
The shooter came in the classroom and shot, and we dropped to the floor under a desk, and his gun jammed. The teacher tackled him and shoved him out of the door and slammed the door shut. We finally got out. We got updates on the phones from Augustana Security, and we then fled to an elevator and came down and ran out here.
We're on the back side of this truck, going down the Carver. No. Back side of the truck, just go down to Carver. We're getting the patients down to Carver.